It was Anne's first solo concert in the US, so she made sure she was ready. Before flying to the US, she headed to the G4 Dance Center to rehearse the production numbers.
Same ng ginawa namin sa Araneta. Ganun pa din yung feel namin. Rehearsal, review ng steps, combi, ganun. Tsaka kasi wala na yung kambal. So ngayon, yung work ng kambal, work na namin. Yun, ready na namin yung sarili namin doon na 4 na prod, sunod-sunod, yung ganun. Kaya yun, siguro nagpalakas lang ng katawan.